fact about the floodplain. The valley that the Jordan River has cut into the plain is between about 1,300 and 10,000 feet. Okay, meters not important, wide, and it's about 50 to 100 feet deep. So there's a lot of water here. Along the stretch, the Jordan's floodplain is known as the Zur, Z-U-R, and it describes so many meanders. Now, what I say by meanders is that it's like a snake or a coil. The river in and out, left and right, curling and curling more. Uh, but when it stretches out, it's 135 miles long. But in actuality, the distance from one end to the other, which is the Sea of Galilee and the Dead Sea, it's only 65 miles. So it's twice as long in actuality as it looks. The Zur, which floods frequently, was formerly covered with thickets, reeds and tamarisk and willows and various trees and poplars and so on. But they built dams, and the dams were built to control the river's flow. The land has been converted into irrigated fields now. That's what the dams are served for through the countryside of Jordan. Finally, when at the end, the Jordan River drains into the Dead Sea and through just a gently sloping broad delta. This floodplain is created in order to help agriculture. Now, there's another floodplain that's not mentioned right here. It is on both sides of the Nile. And during one month of the year, and I'm not sure what it is, I think it might be January, it floods so deeply. It rises and floods so deeply. I do not know why. It has to do with the tides, the position of the Earth at the time, the angle of the Earth, which causes intense tide changes, and that water overflows for most of the month, whatever it is. I think January, and actually saves the desert country that surrounds the Nile River, and allows them to plant and farm and raise products that are so necessary for life. So that's basically it.